green tea cafe. So the tea, sunny days, look at the sky, the one building over there. It's nice here. Simple. They're like, there's books over there.
I bought this bread from the bakery, not here.
Bumili kami ng maraming tinapay. Kaya dahil maubusan kami. Ito naman, ito ay, ano pangalan nito? Ampao. No. Okay. This one is Obi. It's yummy. This one is Munggo. Munggo ba? Ano ba tawag doon? We will go now. I can't wait.
I didn't expect to find this beautiful place in Salawag, Cavite. My daughter discovered this place.
Baba. This is last step. Woohoo! Last floor. The escalator actually. Go stairs.
What a peaceful and quiet neighborhood.
Kaya ang ganda dito. Meron pa. Tara, let's go dyan. Yun ang ganda. Let's go na. Tapos dito, oh, yun yung ano dyan. Tapos ano ba yun? Massage. Mag-aabang kami dito ng Ito na kami sa highway. Mag-aabang kami ng jeepney. Bulot naman. So ayan ang jeepney, Ani. Para okay. Yeah. You're here now about the jeepney. Walang passengers. Sarap. Si Kuya. Ayun, malinis yun talaga. Pure yan. Tapos dito, maraming mangga. Ayun o, 30. 25 kg. Ayun, dito ako pipili. So, maganda. Mura lang. Okay.
We saw Koya singing on the street while on our way home.
Guess I'll start it all again. Like the winter needs the spring, you know I need you. I need you. And every day I've laughed the hours away. Just knowing you are thinking of me. And then it came that I was put to blame. And made a story told about me. About me. About me. I need